Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix when you can't turn on your PlayStation 4 with your controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you may be trying to press the PlayStation button to turn on your controller and turn on the PlayStation 4, but you always get to this screen whenever you turn on your PlayStation and it says, "Welcome back to PlayStation, press the PS button to use the controller." This pretty much is an indication that your controller is not connected via Bluetooth. And to bypass this, what you could go ahead and do is locate the power button on your PlayStation 4, which is the top button by the light bar here, and just hold this down. So you will hear one beep, then about 10 seconds later, you will hear a second beep, indicating your PlayStation 4 is turning off. Now, we wanted to completely turn off and bypass rest mode. So there shouldn't be any light on the light bar here flashing, not even orange light, so it will be completely blank. Then turn around your PlayStation 4 just like this and unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute. So I see there is no light on it. Let's go ahead and unplug it and leave it unplugged for approximately 1 minute. And then plug it back in. So let's go ahead and just speed up the process right now and plug it back in and turn around. And then we can go ahead and try to press the PlayStation button on our controller to turn on the console now. Now I've noticed this does help in the past, so let's try it. So that did turn it on. Now if you are having problems turning on your controller, maybe it's dead where the battery just simply isn't holding a charge or something like that, you could always try connecting the controller directly with a USB cable just like this to the front of the console. Or maybe there is a problem where you aren't connected via Bluetooth anymore and that's the reason is not turning on the console. So connect it via USB, then press the PlayStation button. You should see the light bar on if it's charging. Otherwise, if you are having charging issues, you could try an external charger. This one is from my Sony camera. Just make sure the output on the back here says 5 volts and not 9 volts. You could damage the battery if it's a 9-volt fast charger. Just make the output says 5 volts. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.